morning time. Getting ready to go to the Mammoth Cave. Paige is fixing up my busted ankle from where I fell. It's still bruised pretty good, but she's gonna put a wrap on it for me so it doesn't rub on my shoe and stuff when I'm walking in.
Like hurt him.
Yeah, so it doesn't hurt. So when we're walking in Mammoth Cave.
Long walks.
Yeah, we've got 500 and something stairs, and then we also have like I think 2 miles. I don't know. We'll check it out. We'll take you along too. But she's fixing it up. So. Switcheroo, we're all loaded up, ready to go to Mammoth Cave. Macy's down there. She's like, hey, I'm tired. Jen's looking up directions. We're off. We're doing it. What?
Not what I thought it was going to be.
The kennel? Would you have rather left her in her crate in the camper?
No, I would have rather found doggy daycare for her.
It's only like 4 hours. She's gonna be fine.
I know.
She's gonna be fine.
She's an anxious little girl.
She's Louise. Let's go do our tour.
I'm gonna be thinking about her the whole time.
You're gonna be looking at stalactites hanging down from the ceiling.
Maybe.
And maybe some stalagmites crawling up from the floor.
Yeah, don't touch
Some
those.
boxwork and popcorn and the
Yeah,
big
you're not allowed to
caverns.
touch those,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. No touching. That's right.
Yeah,
Okay.
they were dying.
We're driving to the tour site. Dude, we're going in.
Wait, which way are we supposed to go? This way? Okay. Okay. Oh, good. There's somebody here to help us. We didn't go through a room quite this big in the last cave that we went to. It just broke off. Or they could have brought some machinery or something down here and
Yeah.
piled it up. But I'd say probably broke off. Hey, look at the ceiling, honey. Look at it. Like that stuff just comes off. Well, it looks like we're getting ready to go down a little bit, so watch your step.
He thought he could get people to pay money to come down in a hole in the ground with 2 random strangers. I mean, I guess that.
Guess we're crouching now.
I don't. I don't know.
This is side saddle pit. Ooh, it goes down there, don't it? There's the bottomless pit. All right.
Fat man. Oh man, I have to dump. Wait, no I don't. No I don't.
Okay.
This isn't Fat Man.
No, we're getting there. We're getting there.
Good thing I'm not a fat man. Same. I'm not a fat man, so I can fit.
Look at you guys.
I don't even have to turn sideways.
Oh, aren't you just lucky?
I'm just
Lucky ducky.
special.
Hey, I can almost go through. Makes me feel better about myself.
Well, I'm saying this means that you're not fat.
Thank you. Thank you, Paige. Man, Jake, did you fit through this? You're not that wide?
I'm not that wide. I'm
Ridiculous.
Too strong for it.
Oh, you're just strong for your
Good thing
how big you are?
Good thing we didn't do that 1 foot wide thing and then that 100-foot drop one.
Yeah.
Hey, you're touching the rock.
Oh no. Here we go. Oh, Daddy, did you get your cut?
He's got it, buddy.
Hey, don't hit him. No.
It was the perfect time, though.
Oh, but that's not nice.
Why?
I see your bum.
That's a lot of stairs. Are you ready?
Wow.
Yeah, it looks like the popcorn.
Well, there's stalactites up there.
It's the same thing, bro. You're living in Minecraft world, buddy.
Oh, look at this one over here.
Why does it look like that?
Wait, I feel like we were out here earlier.
But only about 30 of those are actually Mammoth Cave.
It's like pumpkins.
Yeah, it's okay. Can we go either side? Okay, just walk. Walk like normal. Walk like normal, Paige.
Thank you.
Keep walking. Okay.
My feet weren't wet at all.
Your soul has been cleansed. Are you back? I don't know if this is recording or not. Oh, you had it on this way. No cookies for you. Oh, okay. You just came right in and ate somebody's sandwich.
Oh, did she just sculpt that sandwich down?
Yep, she sure did. She does not want this pickle. Throw this in the bag.
Macy, you're in my seat.
Hold on. Did you grab the lock? Because they have to return the lock.
Okay, fuzzy bud. Scooch, scooch.
Doodle, you gotta get in the back. Back up the bus, yo.
Go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down. We're back. We're
Holy cow. Hey, don't let her eat the cookies.
I got
Hey, get out of there.
Gosh, she needs a sandwich.
Where are they?
Okay, sit down.
Hi.
Sit. No,
Oh
no,
my
no,
gosh,
no,
yes.
no, no.
Yes.
Okay, we see you. We see you.
Don't do that. I don't want her to pee in here.
Oh.
Originally it was 50. Before we realized it made more sense.
Finally get time to
taking
chill.
in
Kids are
entirely.
playing.
All that work within budget is
You
amazing.
left her in a cage today. It was so sad.
It's a kennel and she's a dog.
You put a padlock on it. It was like a prison.
I'll let you guys
nobody there to accompany her. She was
Enjoy.
so sad.
What's really exciting for me is that think about it. It's a great.
But just think how happy she was to see us when she
Oh
got
my
out.
God. I wish I recorded
Now
it,
with
but
this
I
new
didn't.
camp,
I
we
should
have an
have.
opportunity.
God, it was something else.
Bringing them up here.
Very excited to see you.
Having those
Look at her.
Yeah.
She's so excited to see me right now. She's willing to sit in this chair with me, which never happens.
Guys are crazy.
Dad, those a few words.
Got her. Oh, hi. Yes, we're talking about you. Look. Oh, a car drove by. Yeah, see? She's so happy. The kids are somewhere. We don't know.
We got walkie-talkies, we're fine.
You can take it back.
We've got good communication. Let's check in right now.
There hasn't been much TLC to it.
See how they do. Uh-oh. There they are. How you doing? Good? Okay, we'll keep playing. See you later. Okay, we're gonna keep watching TV. Yeah, you miss Parker Cat, don't you? Yeah, we're going home to see him. Okay, buddy. I'm making you some more mac and cheese. Because that's all you eat's mac and cheese, huh? You're a mac and cheese-aholic. We're gonna have to recut your lightning bolts. Your hair's growing in, dude. Okay. You miss Parky a lot, don't you? Yeah. If that darn cat would just travel with us. Huh. But he won't. He's old stubborn cat. I know he would, but he's a stubborn cat. He won't. He doesn't like to.